do a quick video. Got the mock-up finished. Just got done welding all day. I made those brackets, well, basically spacers. When I leveled it, that gap was 1 1/8 inches. So I milled those out on my mill. The welds, yeah, they ain't pretty, but they're sturdy. Let's just put it that way. Welded in the middle. And I was gonna make these underneath, but I'm pretty sure those are good like that. This thing ain't going nowhere. Yep. Next is a flatbed going to be going on it. And for my fuel line, front and rear tank, mocked up a hole I'm going to have to torch out. I was going to do it when I had it off, but I wasn't sure about, I was sure about the rear one where it was going to go, but this front one, it's kind of tricky because it comes out and then in, so I'd rather cut it while it was welded up so I know exactly where it's going to go. But it's coming along. This took me about 8 to 10 hours to do, pretty much non-stop. So a lot of welding. Use the old stick welder. Probably burned through 2 dozen sticks. So, I love this paint. This is just Rust-Oleum brush. You know, I just brushed it on there, the whole frame and everything. So, it's only 25 bucks at Home Depot, and it's pretty tough. Alright, next time, hopefully you'll be seeing the flatbed on it.